Life group is a place where you make deeper relationships and find real connection to people in the church, and it's a group that has, in a sense, your back because we're praying for each other throughout the week and supporting each other in times that are a little bit tough or good times.
Oh, great question. When you go to a life group, you can expect to get to know other people at CPC. You can expect them to get to know you.
We have a time of prayer. We have a time of sharing with one another what's going on in each other's lives. There's always food and good drinks and food.
Well, we just had a picnic over at the Box House, a backyard picnic, and that was really fun. We played a little cornhole and we sat around and talked and met some new people. Those kind of relaxed times in the backyard. Those are fun.
You can expect snacks, maybe some songs, some prayer, and most importantly, you can expect to be taken through a rhythm of worship that reflects the movement of God meeting us in the person of Christ on earth. So everything that we do at a life group is church in the small. We are mirroring what we do on Sunday worship in our homes and in our communities in a microcosm of the gospel.
There's good food and drinks, and also there's always a focus of study. We've done books all together where all the life groups are doing the same book, or sometimes we do sermon discussions. We've done different things, and but it's always a time of sharing and being with one another.
But also a really good discussion, at least we've always had, around the Word of God, and worshiping together and praying together has been really the important parts of our group. All right. You are welcome.
Okay. Camera's rolling.